Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC tools kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're repairing, maintaining, or upgrading your RC cars, planes, or drones, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4, we have the RC POW RC Car Toolkit, a 16-piece screwdriver set that caters specifically to RC hobbyists. The kit includes hex, flat, Phillips, and socket screwdrivers, all crafted from titanium steel for outstanding durability. The tools are housed in a convenient storage bag, making it easy to keep everything organized and portable. What sets the RC POW kit apart is its non-slip grip handles and the engraved size markings on each tool, which ensure precision and ease of use. This kit is ideal for tasks like repairing RC cars, drones, and helicopters. The titanium steel build offers excellent resistance to wear and rust, so you can expect these tools to last through countless projects. However, it lacks some of the advanced features seen in other kits, such as magnetic tips or specialized tools for electronics. The RC POW kit strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a great option for hobbyists who want a dependable, no-frills toolkit. Its pros include robust build quality and a portable design, but its limited versatility makes it less suitable for those who need precision tools for smaller electronics. At number 3, we have the RC Lelut Repair Tool Set, which is more than just a toolkit. It's a complete workstation for RC repairs. It includes a 360-degree rotating workstand, a 523-piece screw kit, and a variety of tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, tweezers, and more. This kit is designed for RC enthusiasts who work on multiple scales, ranging from 1/8 to 1/18 models. The standout feature here is the workstand, which comes with adjustable height, built-in shock rebuilding holes, and magnetic strips to prevent screws and parts from rolling away. This is a game changer for anyone who wants a stable, organized workspace. The screw kit is another highlight, offering a wide variety of sizes, stored in a neatly organized box. However, the tools themselves are decent, but not as premium as some of the other kits on this list. This kit is perfect for serious hobbyists and professionals who need a comprehensive setup for RC repairs and maintenance. Its pros include the versatile workstand and the extensive screw kit, while the cons are its slightly heavier design and average quality tools compared to higher-end options. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Jorist 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This kit is the definition of versatility, with an incredible 140 bits that cover just about every screwdriver model you can imagine, including Torx, Phillips, Pentalobe, and more. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from RC cars to electronics like laptops, smartphones, and gaming consoles. The handle features a rotating cap and an extendable design, which makes it easy to work with deeper screws. The magnetic storage box keeps all the bits and accessories securely in place, and the included magnetic mat is a lifesaver for keeping small screws from getting lost. The bits are made from CRV steel, ensuring durability and wear resistance. One downside is that the sheer number of bits might feel overwhelming for beginners, and the kit doesn't include larger tools like pliers or wrenches. This is the go-to set for anyone who needs precision tools for both RC repairs and general electronics work. Its pros include unmatched versatility and excellent organization, while its cons are the lack of larger tools and its focus on precision over heavy-duty tasks. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Globect RC Toolkit, a 26-piece set that truly has it all. This kit includes everything from hex drivers and screwdrivers to pliers, a body reamer, a camber gauge, and even a 360-degree rotating workstand. It's compatible with RC models ranging from 1/8 to 1/18 scales, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. What makes the Globect kit stand out is its exceptional build quality. The tools feature anodized aluminum handles with clear markings, and the titanium-plated steel bits are both durable and precise. The included magnetic tray and adjustable workstand make repairs and maintenance a breeze. Despite being packed with features, the tools are neatly organized in a zippered storage bag, so everything stays secure and portable. This kit is perfect for serious RC hobbyists and professionals who want a one-stop solution for all their repair and maintenance needs. Its pros include a comprehensive tool set, premium build quality, and excellent organization, while its only con might be its higher price point compared to more basic kits. Overall, it's the best RC toolkit you can get right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth review of the top 5 RC tools kits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.